Do you have a lot of stuff to do, but you can't keep your eyes open? You're probably dying for a coffee, but are you sure that coffee is the drink with the highest amount of caffeine? In this simulation, you will learn how scientists use the flow injection analysis technique to measure the concentration of caffeine in various beverages. The machine is pretty complex. In real life, it's hard to inspect each component easily, but in this simulation, you'll be able to observe each part of the flow injection analysis in detail. A 3D animation will follow the journey of a sample inside the flow injection analysis machine. You'll learn how the machine efficiently measures samples in bulk. You'll optimize the machine by changing its parameters. An optimized flow injection analysis machine will allow you to measure the caffeine concentration efficiently. The flow injection analysis technique is widely used in the food and beverages industry. Will you be able to determine which drinks can save you from drowsiness? Each simulation has quiz questions designed to help you learn and retain the new knowledge effectively. You will also have access to a full theory section, which provides you with relevant background information whenever needed. With the media player, you can even see the animations, graphs, and collected data as many times as you want during the simulation, as well as at a later time for your exam preparation. You will also have full access to a learning dashboard that provides you with a clear overview of your scores and progress as you learn new topics every day. People all over the world already love and play our simulations every day to learn science faster. And now you can get started with Labster too. Just go to labster.com and find the topic you would like to learn with our fun and engaging simulations. Labster, empowering the next generation of scientists.